Oil cleansing method for different skin types. Let's see what are the oil blends for different skin types, and how to use them. Oil cleansing recipes. 1. Normal skin. 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 8 tablespoons of sunflower oil. 2. Combination skin. 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon of apricot kernel oil, 4 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 4 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. 3. Oil cleansing method for oily skin. 3 tablespoons of hemp seed oil, 3 tablespoons of moringa oil, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. 4. Acne-prone skin. 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 4 tablespoons of hemp seed oil or argan oil. 5. Oil cleansing method for dry skin. 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 6 tablespoons of avocado oil. 6. Mature skin. 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, 4 tablespoons of evening primrose oil, 4 tablespoons of rosehip seed oil. Please keep in mind that these oil blends are not set in stone, and you can make your own. For example, you can add other essential oils you like, or black seed oil, or even vitamin E oil to your custom blend. How to use these recipes for oil cleansing. We have mentioned the process in the previous video, but to have a complete picture, let's bring it here as well. 1. To open the pores on your face, you need to rinse it with warm water. 2. To remove dirt, dead cells, and stale oils in the pores, gently massage a desired oil blend onto your face for about a minute. 3. Soak the washcloth in hot water, or run it under tap hot water, wring it out, and dab it all over your face, to help oils from the oil blend penetrate and nourish the skin. 4. Run the washcloth under hot water, wring out again, and place it over your face, to give it a nice steaming effect. Close your eyes while doing this. 5. Wipe your face with washcloth to remove excess oils, and rinse your face with cool water to close the pores. Notes on oils. We have sunflower oil in many recipes here. It's because it is rich in linoleic acid, which effectively dissolves thick sticky sebum. This is low-quality sebum, which is common for oily and acne-prone skin. Sunflower oil improves the quality of sebum, thus preventing the easy pore clogging and its consequences, greasy skin and breakouts. We also have argan oil and hemp seed oil. Both are good for oily and acne-prone skin. Because they are dry oils, they quickly get absorbed by the skin. So what about castor oil? While it is thick oil, which is commonly used to moisturize dry skin, it can effectively purge the toxins and dirt from the pores, along with acne-causing bacteria.